Hello everyone, welcome back to our English for Workplace series. First day to first promotion. In our previous lesson, we learned about the job interview process. Today, we are taking the next exciting steps in your career journey, your very first day at a new job. Our topic for today is first day at work. Walking into a new workplace can be overwhelming. You have to adapt to a new environment, meet new people, and understand new routines. Doing all of this in English can add extra pressure. However, with the right process and a confident mindset, you can make fantastic first impression. By the end of this lesson, you will able to first, introduce yourself naturally and professionally. Second, ask for workplace facilities politely. Third, clarify work instructions and tasks clearly. And the last is navigate your first day with confidence. Let's begin. Imagine you just arrived at your new office. Your manager guides you to your desk and introduces you to the team. Everyone stops walking and looks at you, waiting for you to speak. Would you know what to say? Many people get nervous and say something too brief, which can make them look unapproachable. Remember, your colleagues want to welcome you. You don't need complex words, you just need to sound warm, polite, and enthusiastic. Introducing yourself professionally. Let's start with how to structure a strong self-introduction. A good introduction should include your name, your job title, and a positive statement about joining the team. You can use these expressions. First, hi everyone, I am Aura. Second, I'm joining the team today as the new, for example, new staff. And third, I'm really excited to be here. And the last is, I look forward to working with you all. Okay, let's look at a full examples. Hi everyone, I'm Aura and I'm joining the team today as the new marketing specialist. I'm really excited to be here and look forward to working with you all. This approach sounds natural, confident, and highly professional. Next is asking for workplace facilities. On your first day, you will inevitably need to find things around the office. To show good manners, always start your questions with a polite opener like, "Excuse me." To ask for directions, you can use these phrases. First, could you please show me where the restroom is? Second, where can I find the pantry? Third, could you tell me where the printing room is located? And for example is, excuse me, could you show me where the pantry is? I'd like to grab a glass of water. And using could you please or where can I find is much more professional than simply asking, where is the toilet? Okay, next there is clarifying instruction and task. Your supervisor will give you your first assignment today. If they speak too quickly or if the task is unclear, do not pretend to understand. It is always better to ask for clarification immediately. You can say, for example, could you please clarify what you mean by this report? Or should I focus on weekly or monthly data? Asking these questions does not mean you are incompetent. In fact, it shows your manager that you are about doing the good job correctly. Okay, next there is common mistakes. Let's identify some common mistakes that English learners make on their first day so you can avoid them. The first mistake is being overly formal or robotic. Instead of saying, "Hello, my name is Aura, I am the new employee," try to open up. "Hi everyone, I'm Aura. I'm thrilled to join the team today." Okay, the second mistake is saying yes to everything when you are confused, nodding along when you don't understand. Your task will lead to mistakes later. Always ask your colleagues to clarify when needed. The third is forgetting to show appreciation. Whenever someone takes the time to help you or shows you around, always acknowledge it. Says, "Thank you for your help. I appreciate it." Okay, before we finish, let's wrap up today's main points. First, introduce yourself with confidence and enthusiasm. Second, use polite pauses when asking for directions or help. Third, always clarify instruction if you are unsure. Fourth, observe the culture and a great listener. Okay, your first day is all about learning and building relationships. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on being curious and polite. In our next lesson, Maheswari will show you how to take the next steps, meeting new colleagues and building deeper professional relationships.